Welcome to Zero to Omni series. In this video, I will show you how to create free or trial org to practice OmniStudio. By following these links, we can create an org to practice the OmniStudio. The links are provided in the description. For example, if we follow this link, you will be able to see form. Just fill this information, click on the sign me up. After some time, you will receive an email to reset the password. This is for the dev org. If you want to create trial org, follow this link and go to the last section, industry based trials. We can use trial orgs for 30 days. Here we can create a trial org specific to a cloud like communication cloud, consumer goods cloud, financial service cloud. Likewise, we can create a trial org for any of the cloud. For example, if I select financial service cloud, I can create a trial org which will come with the configured data or unconfigured data. If I want to create trial org with configured data, click on the sign up, fill this information, and after some time you will receive an email to reset the password. In this way, you can create an org to practice the OmniStudio. In the next video, we will learn DataRaptors. Thanks for watching.